Hello, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel where I talk about smart TV and other electronics. If you are someone who is interested in tricks and hacks on your smart TV or electronics, then this channel is for you. And in this video, you will be learning how to install TV games on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to your YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a smart TV, especially Samsung Smart TV, and want to install TV games, here's exactly what you have to do. Now here's my Samsung Smart TV. It might have a different operating system from yours, but it's still a Samsung Smart TV, and the process is pretty much the same. So your Samsung Smart TV, what you have to do is you have to try and locate your app store. And in my case, here is my app store. Now once you go over to your app store, you just go ahead and launch it. Now as I said earlier, there are different Samsung TV operating systems. You just have to know yours and try to locate the app store on yours. So as you go over here, you could go over to apps and search for the application. But I'm just going to for the easiest way to search for the application using the search bar. Now in my search bar, I'll just go ahead and type TV games. That's the name of the application. TV games, which is a Samsung Smart TV game that you can play when you're bored or maybe when you want to do something. So it's TV games, that's the name. So once you type in the keyword TV games, you just go ahead and search. Once you search, here's what is going to come up. Here's the games we're talking about, and you click on it. Then you go ahead and download it to your Samsung Smart TV. It is very easy. So this is how to download TV games to your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.